Today, I want to discuss fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas. The term fossil fuel refers to the trapped remains of plants and animals in sedimentary rock. You see, living plants trap energy from the sun by the process of photosynthesis, and they store the energy in their chemical compounds. Most of that energy is released when the plant dies and decays. However, sometimes organic matter is buried before it decays completely. In this way, some of the solar energy becomes trapped in rocks, hence the name fossil fuel. Although the amount of organic matter trapped in any one growing season is small, the accumulated remains from millions of years are considerable. Because the accumulation rate is so slow, millions of times slower than the rate at which we now dig up this organic matter and burn it for energy, we must consider fossil fuels as non-renewable resources. Tomorrow, we'll be discussing alternatives to fossil fuels that can be renewed.
The lecture was about fossil fuel. Furthermore, the speaker mentioned that oil, coal, natural gas. Moreover, the speaker mentioned that plant and animal, living plant trap energy, store energies, combined organic matter. Moreover, the speaker suggested that some source energy, organic matter trap. In addition, the speaker explained that accumulated remain rate slow dig up organic matter. Finally, the speaker concluded that fossil fuel, non-renewable fuel, fossil fuel can be renewed.